Say hello to echoflex, a compact cordless echo device controlled by your voice and Alexa. It plugs directly into a wall outlet, enabling you to make any space smarter, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or any space of your preference. Alexa, switch on the lights. Alexa can turn on the lights, switch on the geyser and more with a single command. She can make calls or send messages to anyone with an Echo device or the Alexa app, help you set alarms, add items to your shopping list, or create daily reminders. With the echoflex, you can communicate with other Echo devices within your home and also make announcements. Alexa, announce dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
With a built-in USB-A port, you can now charge your phone on this device. You can now talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल garden हो गया.
Best of all, echoflex and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. echoflex from Amazon.